Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on optimization your Go high-level website speed using Website Speedy. Let's get started. First, head over to Website Speedy and click Get Started Free. Choose your platform, then enter your name, email, and password. Click Create Your Account, and you'll receive a verification code by email. Once you verify your email, you'll be redirected to the setup page. Next, select your country and enter your company details. On step 2, choose Go high-level as your platform and enter your main website URL. Website Speedy will automatically fetch 2 key URLs from your site. Click Submit, and congrats, your account is now set up. You'll be redirected to your Website Speedy dashboard. Click Install Website Speedy, and you'll now see 3 key URLs pulled from your site. Before moving on, check your website's current speed using Google Page Speed. Insights will help you compare the before and after results. Now click Boost Speed Now. You'll receive a script, copy it. Then go back to Go high-level, choose your account, click Sites from the left menu, go to the Websites tab, and select your website from here. Now click on Settings, scroll to Tracking Code, and paste the script in the header code box. Hit Save to apply. Finally, go back to the Website Speedy dashboard, click Verify, and move to Step 3. The app will take around 2-3 minutes to analyze your site. Once complete, you'll be able to see the improvements in your website's speed. And that's it. Your Go high-level site is now optimized with Website Speedy. Thanks for watching and enjoy your faster site.